welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how I make these cute ice cream cupcakes. This work was a collaboration with Saba from Polymerclay Amino. Polymerclay Amino is a social network for crafters where you can exchange. And you see, she made this cute little pink popsicle. Our theme was icy kawaii food, and it's funny we both made ice cream. I decided to use some items from my latest sophie&toffee elves box. And here you see I needed several attempts to get the charm with which I was satisfied in the end. Let's start. Here you see I picked out the colors in line with the topic. At first I took a little ball of vanilla clay, pinched it into my cupcake base mold and cut off the excess. For the ice cream I have two techniques. Here I show you the one I used for little ice cream balls. And if the clay is too sticky and soft, you can use some cornstarch. Now back to the big cupcake. I prepared the clay in the colors with the marble effect I want to use. On my working surface I make a big dome and then place it on the cupcake. For working out the ice cream effect on the clay, I used a needle tool and a toothbrush. And don't be shy with using the toothbrush. Now I make a little hole with the needle tool for my screw eye pin and the indenters for the eyes. For the eyes I take a piece of black clay, rolled into a snake, cut off two pieces, roll them into little balls and place them. For the mouth I rolled out black clay too in a very thin snake, cut a piece off, shaped it into a U shape and place it. For the cheeks I use a brush and the pink chalk pastels from the sophie&toffee elves box. Now I'm adding the screw eye pin with some liquid clay and secure it with some liquid clay later, but that's optional. For making the Whippet I use a piping tube and the dotting tool for pushing the clay through the tube. Then I twist it a little bit and pull it and place it. And I decided to make some sprinkles in the topic color. Here you see I use turquoise. I love placing sprinkles. And when the sprinkles are placed, I add a waffle. Here you see I have some pre-baked waffle and I show you later how I make them. To fix the waffles, I use some liquid clay. And now it's time for some extra sparkle. For this I use the candy glitters coming with the sophie&toffee elves box. And I place it with a silicone tool. At last I take some chalk pastels and give the base of the cupcake some color for the baked look. It's done and time to bake. Before, I promised you to show you how I make my waffles. All you need is some vanilla clay from Fimo and something giving structure for your waffles. I use the UV torch and some chalk pastels. I use orange and brown. That was it for this time. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Until next time, bye!